Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. I'm your maths teacher for this year, Teacher Sidika Rosli. Today, we're going to be focusing on numbers. Now, this is not a new topic. This is some kind of simple revision for you to do because we have done it last year and a few years back. So, let's begin. So for our learning objectives for today first we are going to convert or change from words to numerals, and then we are going to change from numerals to words. Our step to success for today is first we are going to label or highlight the place value. Then we are going to underline where the family stops. The family here means the place value, which I will explain to you later on. And the third step is we are going to convert or change from words to numerals or numerals to words. So let us quickly recap our place value. We all know that the smallest place value here is ones, followed by tens and hundreds. So these three digits, we can call them the hundreds family. And then moving on, we know that this is 1,000, followed by 10,000 and 100,000. And this, we can call them the thousand family. And the biggest place value for your level would be this big number where we call million. So there we go. We have ones, tens, hundreds, and they all give you the hundreds family, followed by 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, and they all make up as thousand family and million. So let's jump straight to our first example for today is we are going to convert or change from words to numerals. So we have 740,512. Right, so first thing first, we are going to break this down into their own families. So 740,000. The moment you see a comma, that's where you will have to give a line in between so that you know that this is one family and these are one family. Next, we're gonna write down our place value. You can just write down short form for all these: ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, and million. And remember, the rule is only one number can go in one box. So let's focus on our thousand family right here. So we have 740,000. Now we're going to focus on the bits right here, this family right here, only the thousand family. So we have 700, and we're going to write down the 7 over here, 40,000. There we go. So the thousand family is done. Then we're going to be focusing on the next family, 512. So we're going to write down 5 in the 100 column and 12. Remember, only one number can go in one box. So 12. And there we go. The answer is 740,512. Next, we're going to convert 6,320,001. So first thing first, 6 million, so we all know that that's one family. 320,000, and that's one family, and 1. And there's our place value column. And remember, only one number can go in one box. So let's focus on this millions right here. It says here 6 million, so we're gonna write down 6 in the million column. And then we're gonna be focusing on the next family, which is the thousand family. It says here 320, so 100, we're gonna put 3 right here. 20, we're gonna write down the number 20 over there. So that's the thousand family. And then the last family is just 1. We're not gonna write down 1 over here, because if we write down 1 over here, then this means 100. But we do not want 100, we just want 1. So and 1, so we're gonna write down 1 in the ones column. And so what happens to the number or the boxes in between? If there are no numbers to be put in, you just write down 0. And the answer is 6,320,001. Next, we are going to convert or change 91,046 into numerals. So first thing first, place value chart or place value box, whatever you want to call it. You just prepare it first, and then we are going to divide the family 91,000. So that's one family, and 46. So we're going to be focusing on the 1,000 family. 91,000. So there is no 100. There is no 100 word here or 100 digit here in thousands. So we're gonna leave this box empty, and we're gonna start off with the next place value right here, 91,000. There we go. And 46. So we're not gonna write down here because there are no hundreds words or hundreds value here in the hundreds family. And the digit we want is 40, so 40, and we're gonna put 0 in the middle. So remember, only the rule is only one number can go in one box, and the answer is 91,046. Next, we are going to convert or change from numerals to words. So we are going to change this number into words. So just gonna write down the number over here. First thing first is we are going to label the place value. So we all know that this is ones, followed by tens, 100, 1,000, and 10,000 right there. Next, these are the place value. So just fill it in, fill the number in. So ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, and 10,000. So this is where you need to divide or underline the family. So this is one family, 1, 2, 3, ones, tens, and hundreds. They are one family. 1,000, 10,000, and 100,000. They are one family. So first thing first, we are going to focus on the 1,000 family right here. So you can start writing down 1,000 over here. And these two numbers, 29,000. And then what is this number as a digit? 29,028. Example 2, for changing from numerals to words. First thing first is I'm gonna make the numbers bigger over here, and then we're just gonna quickly label the place value so we all know that this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, and million. So these are the place value, and then you just divide the family and then fill in the numbers 8, 7, 6, 0, 2, 1, 5. So we're going to start off with the million. So we know that this is 5 million. We're going to take the thousand family over here. So look at this number. This is 100 and 20,000. And look at these three numbers over this side. It's 600 and 78. There we go. For the third example, changing from numerals to words, same old step. Just label the place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, and 100,000. And then filling in the numbers in the place value. And then dividing the family. So we know that this is a 1,000 family. And just focus on the 3-digit number right here. So that's 407. So that's 407,000. And these 2-digit number right here and a T. There we go. Now it's time for you to try by yourself. Take a piece of paper and do this step by step. So first thing first, you are going to convert from words to numerals. First one is 841,025. The second one is 2,005,600 and 9,800,410. So do this slowly, step by step. Prepare your place value chart and put in the numbers one by one according to their families. Here are the answers. You can check your answers and compare your answers with mine. Next, try converting from numerals to words. The first one is 41,093. Second one is 224,811. And the third one is 5,390,122. I pretty much have told you the answer. It's just for you to write down the answers in words. Here are the answers. So you can compare with your answers. You can compare them with mine and see if you do it correctly. So for year 5, for today's exercise, you are going to do page number 3 and page number 4, practice 1 and practice 2 only. You can do it in pen, or you can do it using pen or pencil, whichever you prefer. But don't forget to write down today's day and date. For year 6, I have provided a piece of paper for today's lesson, Monday, 10th of January 2022. It's practice 1 and practice 2. You can find it in your HLP. For those of you who have not bought the orange book yet, you can do the exercise online. As usual, I have uploaded the exercise online on live worksheet. I provided the link on WhatsApp group, so just click on that and then use a piece of paper to do your working and do it step by step. And as usual, how to submit the live worksheet. You need to answer all questions and then you just click finish. You will see the finish button right at the bottom of the page. And then you just click on email answers to my teacher, fill in your details. You'll see it right there. You need to enter your full name, group level. You can just write down 5A or 5B. And school subject would be mathematics, and enter my email, which is teachersudika@gmail.com. There is no space, no full stop, no underscore, just TCR and my name at gmail.com. And that's it for today, students. Yeah, if there is anything, you can reach me on my WhatsApp privately. Thank you.